If you do a lot of HDR or panoramic merging inside of Lightroom, then one really good way for you to organize this is by using a smart collection. Sometimes it can be difficult to locate that HDR file within your folder of all of your other images, especially when you have a lot of bracketed files. Pano files may be a little easier to locate, but it can still be nice to have them all grouped together so you know where to go when you want to edit those photos. I have one of these HDR merged files selected here in the grid view, and depending on how your view options are set, you can actually see that the file name contains HDR. By default, HDR files will have HDR included in their file name when they're merged. And for panorama files, it will have Pano added to the file name. So to group these files, I'll go over to the Collections panel, select Create Smart Collection. I'll title this one HDR. And then for the variables, I'm going to select File Name, make sure it's set to Contains, and then type HDR. This will find all of the files that have HDR within the file name and group them into a collection. And it will do this automatically and auto-update as you create more. I'll go ahead and click Create. And now you can see all of those photos that I've created as merged HDRs within Lightroom. And then I can do the same for panoramas. I'll create another smart collection, title this one Panos, and then instead of HDR, I'll type Pano, and click Create. Now you can see all of the merged panoramas that I've created in Lightroom as well.